Hello class. First thing we're going to start off with is section 1.1, and this is on limits. If you look at the PowerPoint slides, there's a big definition for limits. And what we want to do is we want to simplify that. We don't really need that definition. That definition is for people who are taking upper level calculus. So this is what we want to do. We want to just talk about what a limit is, and I want to show you what a limit is. And really, a limit is important because it's the basis for everything we do in calculus. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, what I'm going to say is the limit is always going to be the value of the function. Okay, so for example, if I have a function that is f of x equal to 2x to the second plus 3x, and I was looking for a limit, the limit would be the value of the function at some point in x. Let's say I'm looking for the value f of 2. That would become 2 times 2 to the second plus 3 times 2. This part here, once I simplify it, represents my limit. So this is going to be 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 plus 6, 14. Now, in terms of limits, what this is saying is that let's say this is my function here. And let's say this point here is this x, and at that point the value has a function of 14. What a limit is pretty much saying is that as I get closer and closer to this x value, what is the value of the function? The other way we could do this is think of a person walking on this function. Here's this person here. Let me draw another person on the other side. Because there's two ways to approach x equal to 2, which would be this point right here. Right? Okay, so let's say I'm this person coming in from the left hand side. I'm getting closer and closer to having 2 below me. And right before I get to that 2 being below me, how high am I? I would be up 14 units. Same thing if I use this person here. This person's walking along, coming in from the right hand side. As I get close to having 2 below me, what is my height? What is my elevation? My elevation is also 14. So we can think of limits in this manner. Approaching something on the x-axis and then finding our altitude.